A lovely morning to all of you. Your English teacher welcomes you all in your English online class. I hope you all are doing well and are in great health. I'm already so proud of each one of you for being so patient during these hard times. But remember, everything is possible when everyone is fighting for something together. With this, let's start our English class. So, students, in the previous classes, we have completed chapter 6, The Foolish Fish. I hope you read the lesson and have completed the exercises also. So, now, today, we will start with the chapter 7. And the name of the chapter is The Tale of Peter Rabbit, written by Beatrix Potter. It is a short story. Here you can see the picture of Beatrix Potter. She is an English author and she is best known for her imaginative children's books featuring animals. Children, before narrating the story and summary of this chapter, I would like to ask you something. Is that important to listen your parents? Have you ever disobeyed your mother and father, or as a result you landed in a trouble? This is what happened to the Peter. In this story, 4 little rabbits, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter, are the main characters. Okay, so let us begin with the story. I'll be reading the story as well as I'll be explaining it line by line. So let us start. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits. Their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They lived with their mother underneath the root of a very big tree. Now, read this story to know what Peter Rabbit did when Mother Rabbit was away. So, once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits, and the names of the rabbits were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They lived with their mother underneath the root of a very big tree. Underneath means situated directly below. So their home was situated directly below the root of a very big fir tree. एक बार की बात है, 4 छोटे रैबिट थे, फ्लॉप्सी, मॉप्सी, कॉटनटेल एंड पीटर. ये अपनी माँ के साथ एक बड़ी सी फर ट्री के नीचे रहते थे. फर ट्री, आई होप आपको पता होगा, फर ट्री, इनकी जो लीव्स होती हैं वो बिल्कुल नीडल लाइक होती हैं, सुई के तरीके. इनकी मतलब कहने का मतलब इनकी पत्तियां बहुत नुकीली होती हैं. सो मदर रैबिट was there. Mother Rabbit was going out to the baker's to buy some bread. Now, my dears, you may go into the fields or down the lane. but don't go into McGregor's garden. Your father had an accident there. So one morning, old Mrs. Rabbit, that means Mother Rabbit, told the four little rabbits that she was going out to the baker's to buy some bread, and she instructed all the four rabbits and that they may go into the fields, they may go down the lanes, but she said not to go into McGregor's garden because McGregor killed Peter's father. So she doesn't want the same thing to happen to her bunnies. And she also instructed them that they don't have to be naughty. मदर रैबिट ने कहा, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, तुम पार्क में जाओ, गलियों में जाओ, कहीं भी जाओ, लेकिन मैकग्रेगर के गार्डन में मत जाना क्योंकि तुम्हारे पापा गलती से वहां गए थे और वापस नहीं आए. द मदर रैबिट जंगल के रास्ते बेकर्स की शॉप को चली गई. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather blackberries. Now, little bunnies are little rabbits. We call little rabbits little bunnies, okay? So, the three rabbits, Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail, they were very good and obedient rabbits. So, they used to obey their mother. So, they were very good little bunnies, and as their mother said them, they went down the lane to gather blackberries. Gather means to collect. Blackberries, it's a kind of soft black colored fruit. Okay. फ्लॉप्सी, मॉप्सी और कॉटनटेल अच्छे रैबिट थे, इसलिए वो सीधे ब्लैकबेरीज तोड़ने के लिए गए. लेकिन पीटर बनी क्या करता है? लेट्स सी. Peter was very naughty. He ran straight away to McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. क्या होता है? बहुत नॉटी है वो. But the fourth rabbit, whose name was Peter, he was very naughty. He never obeyed his mother, and this time also he disobeyed his mother, and straight away he ran towards the McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. Squeezed means he forcibly pressed, and he managed to get through the narrow space under the gate. अपनी बॉडी को स्क्वीज कर लेता है, वो सिकोड़ लेता है, ऐसा कर लेता है कि गेट के नीचे जो थोड़ी सी जगह थी उसमें से वो निकल पाए. पीटर बनी बहुत शरारती था, वह माँ की बात कभी नहीं सुनता था और इस बार भी उसने नहीं सुना और वो सीधा कहाँ चला जाता है? मिस्टर मैकग्रेगन के गार्डन में. First he ate some lettuces and some French beans, and then he ate some radishes, and then feeling rather sick, he went to look for some parsley. As he entered Mr. McGregor's garden, there were so many vegetables, and so he ate some lettuce. Lettuce is a plant with green leaves and can be eaten raw. So he ate some lettuce. First, Then he ate some beans and later on he ate some radishes also. As you know, radish is the favorite food of rabbit. So he ate some radishes also. Then after eating so much, he was not feeling well and his stomach got upset. So he went to look for some parsley. Parsley is a type of a leafy herb. After eating that herb, his stomach could have got better. So he was looking for some parsley, a leafy herb. पहले पीटर ने क्या किया, खूब सारा लेट्स खाया, फ्रेंच बीन्स खाए, फिर उसने मूली खूब सारी खा ली और बहुत ज़्यादा खाने से जब उसके पेट में दर्द होने लगा तो वो क्या करता है, पार्सली को ढूंढने निकलता है। पार्सली क्या है, एक हर्ब है जिसको खा के पेट दर्द सही हो सकता था उसका। Round the end of a cucumber frame, he came across Mr. McGregor, who was planting cabbages. He jumped up and ran after Peter with a rake in his hand. Stop, thief! So, when he was passing through a cucumber frame is a wooden frame where cucumber were grown up. cucumber को grown up के लिए एक frame use किया जाता है ताकि वो सही से grow कर पाए. So round at the end of cucumber frame, when he was passing through the cucumber frame, he met Mr. McGregor. And what happened there? When he was passing through the cucumber frame, whom did he meet? Okay, whom did he meet? He met Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor was on his hands and knees and planting cabbages. Look at the picture. Here, Mr. McGregor here are cabbages and potatoes also. He planted so much vegetables here, you can see in the picture. So, when Mr. McGregor saw Peter, he ran after Peter waving a rake. Look at the picture. कैसे पीछे दौड़ रहे हैं वो rake को लेकर के? This is a rake. What is the rake? It is a tool with a long handle used to gather leaves. So he waved rake and called out, "Stop thief! Stop thief!" And he ran after Peter. थोड़ा आगे जाने पर से पीटर को मैकग्रेगर दिखे जो अपने नीज पर झुककर कैबेजेस प्लांट कर रहे थे कि पीटर रैबिट को देखते ही अपनी स्टिक उठाई और आगे रुक जा चोर कहते हुए चीखते हुए वे पीटर के पीछे पीछे भागे. So children, enough for today. We will continue with the same chapter in next video. This was the first part of the chapter. In this video, I have explained you half story of Peter Rabbit. Wait for my new video, The Tale of Peter Rabbit's Part 2. Till then, children, goodbye and keep on smiling.